welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara for No Sleep Boutique, and I'm back with another try on haul. Sorry it was late, y'all. I know some of y'all have been waiting for it, but this try on haul is slightly different because I chose pieces that I will be possibly coming out with on my own store, No Sleep Boutique, because we plan on bringing out, regular clothing like outfits, things that you can put together and wear outside. We're thinking about coming out with that for 2024. Well, actually, we are coming out with it because for this try on haul, I picked out some, samples that I might be bringing to No Sleep Boutique. And yeah, so what I got on now is this Tupac, little crop shirt. So we won't necessarily be bringing this out, but I will use this design. Like we won't make this this t-shirt. We won't add this t-shirt to our website, but we will take this design and make it as a onesie. So yeah, that's gonna look super dope. So yeah, we're gonna use this design of his, when he was in the SSL magazine. We're gonna use this design, but not the actual crop tee or whatever. So I got about a few more pieces that I wanna show y'all or whatever that's gonna be added, or I'm thinking about adding to our No Sleep Boutique collection. And this is really about the shirt really, but I just basically put it together with some jeans. I paired it up with some jeans or whatever, some wash jeans that I had, and some black chucks. Y'all can't see. Oh, you can see. But yeah, anyway, I paired it up with some black chucks. You can pair it with any black and red shoes or whatever, but this is not about the shoes. This is about the design that we're gonna use for a onesie instead. And if y'all don't know who this is Tupac Shakur, Machiavellia. Yes, Machiavelli, my bad. Machiavelli. But yeah, so that's it. So we're about to do the next one. I'm about to take some pictures right after this because I definitely need to take a picture in this outfit. And of course you're not gonna see the full thing because it's vertical. Yes, y'all, so I'm trying to think of something else because I need this video to be about 20 minutes. I need this video to be about 20 minutes. I know I said that I was gonna do more, try on hauls for other brands or whatever, but I decided to do, my own try on hauls with my own brand. So yeah, we're bringing out regular clothing and we're gonna still have sleepwear and loungewear as well. So we're gonna do both. We're gonna try both for 2024. So I will be doing hauls for my own, sleepwear. So yeah, I like this Machiavelli SSL magazine look. Take a look, it's in a book, reading rainbow. Yeah, so I've been eyeing this shirt. It says take a look, it's in a book. I've been eyeing this shirt for the longest, but we're not gonna add this to our No Sleep Boutique collection though. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna make this a personal piece for myself. But yeah, we're not adding this. This is just something that I like. But no, I can't see myself adding this this t-shirt on there though. I think it's a pride type of t-shirt. That's why I got that rainbow on there. But yeah, that's all. I don't have too much to say about this t-shirt. We won't be adding this t-shirt on, but I do like it though. And it's a size extra large, and don't stretch too much. And y'all, I did size up on some of this stuff because you never know how the sizing is. So sometimes when you size up, it be super big, and then you realize you could have sized down. But that's how you be able to tell if you can fit stuff or not. So, but yeah, I still got on the same jeans from the last t-shirt. But yeah, let me hurry up, y'all, because I'm losing my light. I had to get some pictures in. But yeah, you can't even tie this up to like make a little, but yeah, y'all. Yeah, that's that. So y'all, I love this denim blue jean crop cut off, whatever you want to call it. Y'all know what it is. It's like a corset. Yeah, like a denim jacket, but you know, it's cropped and it's cut off. But yeah, I get it together later. But yeah, I love this right here. Like, you can pair this with any denim shorts, skirt, or jeans that match. Or some leggings. I just paired it up with these leggings right here. And this is an extra large, I believe, an extra large. And I believe I can size down once I lose a little bit more weight. I'll be able to size down, but it's perfect though. Like, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. And they had this little stretchy thing in the back where you can stretch it out so it'll be able to fit good. Elasticity back there. So yeah, like, this is good. Like, we would definitely be adding this. My bad, y'all. We would definitely be adding this to the site. So look for it in around March, mid-March, the end of March, or whatever. And you can definitely wear this with like another blue jean jacket over it. But originally I had it like this, like that, because I like, you know, a little more. But y'all, you don't have to keep lifting it up. It's not going anywhere. But if you have like super big boobs, you're gonna need to size up for sure. I think they go up to a size 2XL. But yeah, but this is cute right here. I like it. So y'all, I think that we just went international. Like, I think I gotta order an international order, but I can't check it right now because I'm on my phone, recording from my phone. But I think we just got an international order. Like, I can't wait to check it though. But yeah, anyway, y'all, so go back some. Yeah, like, this is super cute. Definitely gonna add this. And y'all, for 2024, I'm definitely gonna be, you know, trying to, you know, lose a little bit more weight, maybe 30 pounds. But I don't want to lose too much weight because my head is finally proportional to my body. So yeah, like, but I do want to, you know, lose a little bit more, get these arms down, and these legs down, stomach gone, or whatever. But hopefully I get to keep my titties though. My titties, they grew. But if they lose weight along with everything else, then so be it then. I don't give a damn. But yeah, so all right, y'all. I was trying to make this video 20 minutes, but after this I got what? 2 more pieces, y'all. 2 more pieces. It looks like this video might be 12 to 14 minutes. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. A lot of people, y'all don't be saying nothing. So far, it's like only one person saying something, but yeah. so yeah, we did go international, and it was United Kingdom. No Sleep Boutique has finally gone international. What's today? The 28th of December. And we've gone international. That's what's up, though. That's what's up. Anyway, so the next piece that we will be adding to our website, No Sleep Boutique, is these little workout leggings. These little workout leggings, and I'm wearing a size extra large. Extra large. They stretchy, but you barely have any room though. They fit just right. But these are extra large. Extra large. And this is how the back looks. You know, it gives you that little thong look, like pushed in the middle. Yeah, make it look like you got more ass than you do. But yeah. Yeah, these are super comfy though. You can work out in these, lounge in these, go out in these, and everything. So yeah, I'll definitely add this. They also have these in gray as well. But yeah. What else I'm gonna say? Yeah. So like I said before, I'm gonna lose some more weight, and then I'll be able to fit a size large in these. But I'm glad I sized up though, because it's an extra large. But it's good though. Super comfy, super comfy. That's the back, and it got little pockets. Little pockets in the back. Yeah. Next. Alright, y'all. So the last look is this all black, zip up and down jumpsuit romper, and we will definitely be adding this to the No Sleep Boutique outfit collection. I'm wearing the extra large. It's super comfy. I could have sized down in this, so the sizes are good. I could have sized down to a large, but you know, like I said before, you gotta size up to make sure you can really, you know, fit this stuff and test out the sizing. So you gotta size up. So, but yeah, I can wear, I could go for a large in this, but I'm wearing the extra large right now. And yeah, it zips up and down, you can go all the way up, but you know, I like to show a little cleavage. But like if it's cold, real super cold outside, you can zip it all the way up. I would say this is perfect for any season, honestly. But anyway, it zips like all the way to your navel. Here's the back. I can't even see because the light's so bright, but there's the back. But yeah, like this is super comfy. So y'all can look for this piece, I don't know, maybe the beginning of March. The beginning of March, y'all can look for this piece. And that's it. That's all for this try on haul, y'all. I hope y'all like these pieces. Be on the lookout. Our website, nosleepboutique.com. We will be updating our website as well, updating our content and everything. So yeah, so be on the lookout for these pieces in the future, and be on the lookout for our next try on haul. Okay? Because I know y'all love these try on hauls. Y'all love seeing me try on these. And y'all, I didn't even know. I was looking at the sleeves on these. They got these the little holes right here. And I'm like, let me see. Put the thumb inside the hole. I think that's what it's for. Okay, y'all. Okay, so you can put it over your thumb, like, but yeah, it's cut very professionally, so I'm assuming that's what it's for. You put your, you know, thumb in the inside, and you can go for that type of look or whatever, because the sleeves are long enough to do that. But if you like that style, that's you, but I prefer, I didn't even know that they had these holes in there for that. But anyway, I go back to, you know, the original way that I had it. But yeah, y'all, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more hauls, y'all. I do have a couple of more pieces that I do need to test out for No Sleep Boutique. We got like 30 plus more designs, sleepwear, loungewear coming. And yeah, we putting everything, every design that I can think of and I want on a onesie. And yeah, it's gonna be on a onesie until I can't do it no more. So yeah, and then I'm also, make sure y'all follow the Instagram, No Sleep Boutique, LLC. I also check our stories too, because we're gonna be posting some of the designs on our stories to get y'all feedback as well. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, so stay tuned for another haul. They're not gonna be spaced apart no more. I'm gonna try not to make them too spaced apart, you know. I'm gonna try to keep it back to back. So, are we at 20 minutes yet? Well, no, we're probably close to it. But anyway, yeah, that's all I had to say. So, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I was basically saying that, yeah, I'm gonna try to do back to back to back or whatever. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see. I know y'all like the try on hauls, so I'm gonna basically be doing all try on hauls with my sleepwear, with the. So yeah, I hope this video is not, you know, moving too slow. But anyway, I cut off just then because my battery just died. But anyway, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Make sure you comment. Bye.